All right, today we're gonna try to water skim with the Slash two-wheel drive.
What do you think about that?
That's crazy, man. I'm gonna see if we can fly across the water. We can put little bitty Amazon paddles on here. Not even the Traxxas paddles. And we're just gonna go give it a test. Oh, don't forget the front paddles.
The HPI front wheels.
All right. All right, are you ready? We're gonna be giving away a sledge here, thanks to our buddies over at Havoc Speed. And you've seen what these bad girls can do, so who else should we give it to besides our viewers? All the information is gonna be in the links down below. Go check it out. For every $5 spent is gonna be 10 entries. So make sure you go on by, get you some merch, and win yourself a sledge.
I gotta park you behind here. So when he misses, it's the pole.
Good to go? All right, let's do it.
More speed. I'm getting wet.
Alright, let's try from this way. Alright, let's try it. See if I don't hit either of those things. Alright.
Oh, the bandit's on the wrong side now.
Oh, you're good. I know.
Front started sinking in. Oh, no. Oh.
The worst possible.
Technically, everything electronic is out of the water right now.
That was the worst possible case.
Oh, the front. It's gonna balloon.
That was pretty good.
It was good. I think the front wheels were riding on the pavement.
I hit the coconut and it stripped my gear. Really? Really? I hit this and it stripped my gear.
Well, now that's things in the middle. Give it a little push. There you go.
Well, that concludes trying to water skim round 1. All right, so round 2, we put the new gear in already, and then I put the stock tires back on the front because maybe those sand tires are a little bit too heavy. Let's go try it out. All right, round 2, we put the little skinny stock tires back on here, new gear, and we're gonna go let her rip, see if we can water skim.
I got splashed. Whoa!
How's it going?
Whoa! You landed like here.
And it's still skimming.
Oh, that was a good one.
Not too bad, not too bad. Here we go. He's seeking missile to the track.
That was a great one. Wow, the front wheels.
Now we got Nick on the controls.
I'm feeling better about coming the other way.
Yeah. Whoa! That's fun. Yeah! That was a really good one. Whoa! You barely missed that pole. Oh my gosh. Barely missed that pole. Pretty good. Oh! I got covered. I got covered in water. I'm soaked. Oh my gosh. What the heck? That was a good one. Nice. That waterproof system though. Woo. Now we're gonna hit both the puddles.
Oh my. Oh my. I hope I got that. Oh! Just dug in on that one. Oh, the gear.
It wasn't a gear, it was actually an axle. You see it flapping around in there. So we'll go put on another one and keep playing.
I've been watching so many people do it on YouTube for however long,
So what are you gonna do, Eric?
send it out of the skate park.
Send it out of the skate park. All right. Let's see the Max fly out of the skate park. Yes, sir.
Oh no.
Oh, that's a gear. Have you ever broke a gear in that? Well, I think you just did, my friend.
Oh my god, what the heck?
First run, already.
You dug the landing pretty hard.
Yeah, I
with
did.
your nose.
And it's original, so I've been running like crap out of this thing.
Yeah, Jesus. Well, Eric already broke his Max.
You ready to send it out?
I am ready to send the Slash out. It's already giving me problems. I think it's just a battery. I don't know what's going on, but
All
we're
right.
just gonna go ahead and send her out.
Full send time. Oh. It's good. Right back in. Oh! No. You want to try that one? Oh my god.
It's just being held on by this tape. All right.
Oh! You're good. You hit the ball. She's good though. Oh.
Something's broke.
Something's broken.
That still get you home just like a Dodge. It look like it got a flat tire. Look at this. I think it's just a shock. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it just bent the heck out of my shock. Still drives fine, it just bent the shock.
You left a piece of your fender over there.
Oh, that was a nasty landing.
Are we ready? We got a helper over here waiting for us. Here we go. It's raining. It's raining. What?
Go ahead, just go first.
Okay. Here we go. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Woo! There's a downpour.
All right, we gotta get under the thing. Yeah. Get under the cover. Oh, this is not a very waterproof cover. It's got holes.
It's getting soaky.
We're about to make a run for it.
Yeah.
It's coming.
getting bad out
It's
here.
coming down. And this has holes in it, like big holes, and then it's like mesh.
Whoever invented this needs to be fired.
Oh my. We're about to make a run for it. We'll update you. It's flooding in here now. Boys,
Woo! It's downpouring.
it's raining.
It's coming down.
It's raining.
Haven't been out here when it's downpouring yet, but it's coming down.
We're waiting for it to pass. It's raining.
Take a look at the most bent shock you've ever seen. Look at that.
Oh.
Woo! Boomerang. Wow. Easy fix. Oh my God, we got back to the truck. I am soaked. Everything else is completely soaked. Had to dry off my remote, my wallet, my keys. Microphones are in there. Jeez, and there's a Slash. She is so wet. Jeez. I mean, just look at my shirt. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Soaked.
Update. We made it through the truck in the back there. Didn't even turn it off. The boys are back there. Oh my God. This is wet. Hopefully it'll still work. Okay. Oh my goodness. Everybody made it back. It's still coming down. This is gonna be a video of me trying to shut the truck off without getting out. Ow, my arm. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Alright. Live in Florida, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Can I do it one-handed? See, we're still on. Come on. Try not to pull it by the wire, of course. Okay, gonna have to put this wet thing down. Like that. Gonna do it like this. There it is. And the other one. All right. Well, that was interesting. And we'll just stick that down there like that. Boom. Featuring the XRT, which I have to put in like that because it takes up the entirety of the back seat. And the boobs car. Yep.